I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to clear the Facebook Messenger cache on your Android device. Step 1. Tap Settings on your Android device's home screen, and then tap Apps in this menu. Step 2. Tap All Apps. A list of all of the apps installed on your Android device is displayed. Step 3. Tap Messenger in this list. The app info screen for the Facebook Messenger app opens. Step 4. Tap Storage and Cache. Associated options are displayed. Step 5. Tap Clear Cache. The Facebook Messenger cache will immediately be cleared on your Android device. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.